Are you ready to revolutionize your auto repair business? Get ready because we have an amazing offer just for you. Introducing Auto Repair Manager software, the ultimate management solution for your auto repair shop. We understand that trying new software can be intimidating, which is why we're offering you a full 30-day free trial of our software with absolutely no obligation on your part. That's right, you'll have access to the complete version of Auto Repair Manager for an entire month at no cost to you. And guess what? We won't even ask for your credit card information up front. We're confident that once you experience the incredible features and benefits of our software, you'll see the value it brings to your business. So, go ahead and give it a try. You've got nothing to lose. Welcome to the future of auto repair management. In this video, we'll introduce you to Auto Repair Manager, the game-changing software solution designed to revolutionize the way you run your auto repair business. We'll explore its exceptional value, convenience, cost savings, advanced customer service tools, and comprehensive reporting and insights. Stay tuned to discover how Auto Repair Manager can transform your business and take it to new heights. So let's dive in. Now, let's talk about security and peace of mind. Auto Repair Manager is a cloud-based SaaS application, which means that your data is stored and backed up on the highly secure Amazon web server. Imagine this: your desktop computer or hard drive crashes, and you're worried that you've lost all your valuable customer and business data. But with Auto Repair Manager, there's no need to panic. Your data is safe and sound on Amazon's web server, ready for you to access whenever you need it. Say goodbye to the stress of data loss and hello to the safety and convenience of cloud-based technology. We know how important it is for you to have access to your business tools from any device, anytime, anywhere. That's why Auto Repair Manager is not just a desktop application, it's also available on tablets, Apple and Android devices at absolutely no extra charge. No matter where you are or what device you're using, you can manage your auto repair shop with ease. It's all about convenience and flexibility, giving you the power to run your business seamlessly across multiple platforms. With Auto Repair Manager, you'll always have the tools you need at your fingertips. One of the best things about Auto Repair Manager is that there are no hidden costs or expensive hardware requirements. You don't need to purchase any additional hardware from us, nor do you have to pay any upfront fees. After your 30-day free trial, if you decide to continue using our software, you'll enjoy all of its fantastic features for just $140 a month. We believe in providing top-notch service at an affordable price, so you can focus on growing your auto repair business without breaking the bank. Get ready to experience the power of Auto Repair Manager at a price that won't hurt your wallet. Running an auto repair shop means you need a software solution that can keep up with your team's demands. Auto Repair Manager understands that, which is why we don't charge extra for multiple terminals and tablets. Yes, you heard it right. You can have multiple staff members working on the software simultaneously, without any additional fees. This allows your team to work efficiently and collaboratively, making sure that your business runs smoothly and predictably. With Auto Repair Manager, you're getting a comprehensive and cost-effective solution that caters to the needs of your growing auto repair business. In today's eco-conscious world, going paperless is not only good for the environment but also great for your bottom line. Auto Repair Manager is proud to offer a paperless feature that allows you to collect signatures from your customers directly on your tablet or their cell phone. With this innovative feature, signatures are saved on estimates and final invoices, enabling you to email customers their copy and maintain electronic records for your business. No more stacks of paper cluttering your workspace. Just an organized, efficient, and eco-friendly solution that saves you time, money, and helps protect our planet. Make the switch to Auto Repair Manager and embrace the power of our paperless feature today. Auto Repair Manager is all about making your life easier, and our digital inspection form is no exception. Say goodbye to messy paperwork and hello to a streamlined, efficient process that will revolutionize the way you handle vehicle inspections. With our digital inspection form, you can inspect your customer's vehicle on a tablet, attach photos and videos of each item inspected, and send the inspection results to your customer via text or email. But that's not all, your customers can also send their approvals for additional repairs directly back to you, which then updates the estimate on your system for approved items and also updates the future recommendation section. This seamless communication and record-keeping process not only saves you time but also enhances customer trust and satisfaction. Experience the future of auto repair management with Auto Repair Manager's digital inspection capabilities. Running a successful auto repair shop means having control over your business, and that's why Auto Repair Manager offers a multi-level password security system. This advanced feature ensures that only the owner can modify finalized invoices, giving you peace of mind and protecting your bottom line. When working with estimates and draft invoices, our software includes language advising customers that the document is not a final invoice and they should not make payments or expect warranties without a finalized invoice. This added layer of security and clarity helps maintain trust with your customers and keeps your business operations running smoothly. Stay in control with Auto Repair Manager's multi-level password security system, designed to keep your business secure and on track. Are you ready to take your auto repair shop to the next level? Auto Repair Manager comes with powerful marketing tools that help you stay connected with your customers and drive repeat business. Our software allows you to send oil change reminders, brake inspection reminders, and even reminders for recommended items based on past vehicle inspections. You can also send special customized messages to all your customers via email, text, or print, whichever suits your needs best. Our customers rave about the impact these marketing tools have had on their businesses. Many have reported that this single feature alone pays back the monthly fee they pay us many times over each month. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to grow your business and keep your customers coming back, all with the help of Auto Repair Manager's marketing tools. Managing inventory can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but with Auto Repair Manager, we've made it a breeze. Our software features a built-in perpetual inventory system that keeps track of your stock levels in real time. No more manual inventory counts or guesswork. Auto Repair Manager automates the process, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. With accurate and up-to-date inventory information at your fingertips, you can make better business decisions, prevent stock shortages, and ensure that your customers always get the parts and services they need. Discover the convenience of effortless inventory management with Auto Repair Manager's perpetual inventory system and take your auto repair shop to new heights of efficiency. Auto repair shops often cater to customers with fleets of vehicles, and managing these accounts can be a challenge. That's why Auto Repair Manager has a built-in fleet management system designed to make your life easier. With our fleet management system, you can effortlessly keep track of your customers' fleet vehicles, invoices, balances owed, and even generate monthly statements. This comprehensive solution helps you manage your fleet accounts efficiently and accurately, ensuring that you can provide top-notch service to your valued customers. Stay on top of your customers' fleet management needs and deliver the exceptional service they deserve with the help of Auto Repair Manager's powerful fleet management system. Knowledge is power, and that's especially true when it comes to managing your auto repair business. Auto Repair Manager offers a wide range of in-depth management reports designed to give you valuable insights into your business performance. With our software, you can access a weekly estimated profit report, a marketing referral report, a zip code tracking report, and other essential accounting reports. These comprehensive reports provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions, spot trends, and identify areas for improvement. Stay ahead of the competition and drive your business forward with the power of Auto Repair Manager's in-depth management reports. Get the insights you need to take your auto repair shop to new heights of success. Time is money, and Auto Repair Manager is all about saving you both time and money. That's why our software comes with Carfax integration, streamlining the process of entering vehicle information and creating estimates. With this seamless integration, all you need to do is enter the license plate of any vehicle, and our system will automatically populate the year, make, and model for you. No more manual data entry or guesswork. Just fast, accurate, and efficient estimates that save you valuable time and improve customer satisfaction. Experience the convenience and efficiency of Auto Repair Manager's Carfax integration and watch your auto repair shop thrive like never before. The best auto repair shop software should be designed by those who truly understand the business, and that's exactly what you get with Auto Repair Manager. Our software was created by individuals with years of experience running auto repair shops, ensuring that it's not just functional but also incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Forget complicated systems that require hours of training. Auto Repair Manager is easy to use, with online training videos available for each function, so you can get up and running quickly. And if you ever need assistance, our 24/7 online support is just a click away, ready to help you make the most of our software. Choose Auto Repair Manager for a software solution that is tailor-made for your industry, backed by the expertise and support you need to succeed. At Auto Repair Manager, we're proud to say that we've never lost a single client to competing software. The only occasions we've said goodbye to a client are when the client sold its business to a large chain with its own software, or when an owner decided to shut down the business. With hundreds of reasons to choose Auto Repair Manager, we're confident that you'll love our software as much as our loyal clients do. But don't just take our word for it. Experience it for yourself with our risk-free 30-day trial. There's nothing to lose and everything to gain by giving our software a try. You too can join the countless auto repair shop owners who have transformed their businesses with Auto Repair Manager. To get started, simply visit our website at univsoftware.com and sign up for your 30-day free trial. Experience for yourself the difference our software can make. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help you every step of the way. Once again, visit univsoftware.com to start your free trial today and unlock the full potential of your auto repair business with Auto Repair Manager. Thank you.